Check out this beautiful metal car license plate frame. It has this beautiful antique old pattern printing on it, and it has these bling crystal rhinestones all around it as well. They're inlaid, so they are well secured on the frame. It goes all the way around the whole perimeter of the license plate, along with the whole antique style design going all the way around the license plate. Now, it is really just a beautiful piece that adds a classy touch to the car. My wife absolutely loves it. I love it as well. And the nice thing is that it also comes with all the hardware needed for installing. It also comes with these screw covers to be able to place on top of the screws of the license plate so that you can get rid of your old rusty screws and put on these nice covers over them as well and replace all the hardware. So it comes with the washers, the screws, everything you need to be able to install it. So this just adds an even nicer touch to it and adds even a little bit more shininess to the overall frame. This is just a really nice piece. It's durable, and because the material that's made out of, it won't rust. It's great for all seasons throughout the whole year and great for license plate from any state in the US. Highly, highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it.